Hi guys, so I'm explaining today the differences between these methods of microbiological control, their uses, and the two examples for each method. I'm going to be starting out with disinfection. It's a process in which destroys a microbial load in the air and on the surface of a pharmaceutical equipment, as well the instruments to safer levels is called disinfection. So the biggest thing is being able to destroy the microbial load which is in the air or on surfaces. This is a big thing for medical clinics and hospitals. This is what their biggest disinfection with wipes as well as sanitation of sanitaries. Some spores cannot be destroyed. It's used in lab equipment like lab areas, lab workbenches, as well as hospitals and clinics. Examples of bacillocrid and tocacep or germatol. The next one we're doing is sterilization, the method in where all forms of microbial cells and viruses can be destroyed or removed by heating or filtration and radiation. All spores can be destroyed or removed, used for the treatment of food, steriling products and manufacturers, vaccine, medicine, antibodies, surgical instruments, manufacturing. So this is how you sterilize. So in the clinic, we make sure that all our equipment is sterilized, because if anything leaks on those instruments, they can cause harm. Examples: moist heat autoclaves, dry heat, filtration of 0.45 micro, residual radiation, ionization, and non-ionization. Sterilization. So we use sterilization in many things. Sterilization in many things. Sanitation, a mechanical process in which decreasing microloads to safer levels is called sanitation. Some spores can not be destroyed. This is used in pharma, used in gloves before performing any sterile activity, cleaning sterile glassware, in household cleaning accessories. Example: isopropyl alcohol and sterilization. We use this a lot, even in our clinics, to make sure that we keep everything clean. Even a lot of alcohol wipes are used to prep different wounds and clean wounds. So another thing is antisepsis. This method in which is used to prevent or destruct microbes which causes disease on living cells. Some spores cannot be destroyed. It is used for treatment of pathologic bacteria in the form of antibiotics. So an example, and a big example, one of the first: penicillin, tetracycline, aminoglycosides, and etc. So all these four mechanisms in which we're trying to keep ourselves safe. We're kind of a current event now is this COVID-19, where we have to do all these I do this every day when I'm in clinic, because we have to keep these people safe as well as ourselves safe. So thank you and have a wonderful day.